Hi all, today we are going to learn about the Chrome browser extension called Reverse Email. The main purpose of this is, with one click you can reverse the order of a Gmail conversation, putting the most recent messages at the top. Every previous messages will be placed in chronological order beneath, letting you quickly see where you left off. Let's see how this works. Since this is a Chrome browser extension, you need to open the Chrome browser first. Open Google and search Chrome Web Store. Select the Chrome Web Store option and search for Reverse Mail extension. Select the first option. At the top right you can see the Add to Chrome option. Select that and a pop-up will appear. Click the Add Extension button from the pop-up. Once this is done, go to your Gmail account and refresh the page. Now you will be able to see the latest emails appearing at the top of the page. This is how you will make the recent emails appear at the top. This makes it easier to track the latest response to your email. Thank you.